When looking at used machinery for sale, don't settle for anything. Find quality, precision-engineered machinery from Southern Fabricating Machinery Sales, your trusted partner in the world of manufacturing. Our suite of services covers buying, selling, auctioning, and appraising machinery, ensuring your manufacturing needs are met with precision. Backed by over 30 years of hands-on shop experience and a deep understanding of manufacturing systems, our representatives work across the nation and are armed with an unmatched expertise, ready to guide you through a curated inventory sourced directly from the factory floor. As manufacturers ourselves, we understand all our used machinery for sale. We're proud members of the Machinery Dealers National Association and partner with over 300 of those member companies to help utilize their specific industry expertise to find a solution that's tailored to your needs. No matter what you're looking for, we've got a solution in mind for you. Whether you need to maximize your inventory's value or you're looking for something to give your plant new life, we're your dedicated experts when it comes to used machinery for sale. Contact us at 813-444-4555 or visit southernfabsales.com.